like the long of 43, but that's all we got really. Unless we break that, all right? And if we start breaking that down, we're going to go down south. I think over that 40, I might take that. I might go ahead and take that long. If it closes under it, then I'm just gonna wait for a good setup here on the short side.
Order filled.
I think that's my one shot to get in if this thing does break down, and I just took it. And if it bounces from here, that's all right too. Just stop me out.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a little bit of profits there. Coming up on the end of this 5-minute candle here in 10 seconds. The reason for that is because if we get this bounce back up into here and I get a good setup, I can add those back, or I can get on a second strike. And if it just falls apart, I'm fine. I'm still in it. You know, I still got skin in the game. 4,000 is a good target from here, guys. 40.20's got a little volume there. I remember it from the other day. 40.25, 40.20. Man, I don't think I could have top ticked that 40.30 or entry any better. Comes 40.20. We're coming up on the end of the 15. Let's pay myself a little bit more here.
Order filled.
Now, the last couple that I got left, I'm just going to hang on to these with a stop in place. And I'll start moving it down under the setups at different times if we get.
Order filled.
Pay myself some. Sitting right at 40.20. Couple of bucks. Can't trust this market right at the top down. I just think it just take off and run. So pay myself there, put a stop in place. All I got to do is let these last two contracts ride. Profit stops in place. As long as they don't pull back too hard and stop me out, this should be a big day for me. We're testing that 4,000 here.
Order filled.
And I got to get paid, man. I just got me another 7-8 points out of those things. You know, I got to get paid on those.